Got you, got you. Go ahead and stream it, unless they're already playing, I can't see it.
No, they're not playing yet.
All right.
Josh 360 is... Yeah, I actually don't know. Yeah, Josh 360 is on the left.
Yeah,
I seen a mirror match, and I was like, oh, shit.
all right, so who's going to land the infinite first? It's the most important question. Oh, that's that pressure. Josh. Oh, that's not... Oh.
Hey! I'm peeing on my rug, man.
Oh, that's it. Oh, what? A double grab? All right. Fireman out. Nope. Barely.
Oh, you should have snapped.
Yeah.
Oh, this might cost you unless that grenade hits. And if it did.
Yeah, that grenade. So there's a debate about matching out on the grenade. Can you match out, yes or no?
The character does shake, but I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know personally.
So I tested it out. You cannot match out from the grenade at all. There's a debate talking about people if you can match out of that. Since
You see the character shake though.
Yeah, I mean that's just the animation because of the grenade, but you cannot shake out of it.
I personally, I don't know, and I don't give a fuck. Been slapping people with grenades all this time. Just trying to enjoy the game.
Yeah.
Oh, you should have that shit. Okay.
Robocop doing pretty well.
Yeah, Robocop is not
Yeah.
not gonna run out of fight. Oh, there it is. Yo, bro, stop biting me. This dude. Yo, Ruin, don't you got a little dog too? That dude is mad feisty.
All right, see if Robocop can land the first hit, or Josh gonna land the first hit. Oh, both? Oh, then, oh, he dropped it. They both hit it in right away, and Robo almost had it, but now Josh is gonna have to do it himself, so unless Josh dropped this might be a dead Iron Man. Break his guard. Oh, wow. I don't know if he was holding back or he...
Oh, actually, yeah. So, up next is DSQ versus Jinpachi.
Yeah, this is looking pretty free now. Alright, we got Rainbow Cable right now, so... Oh, not like that.
I'm gonna need DSQ versus Jinpachi next.
Proton Cannon, that's very killing power.
Dark Storm Queen, you got your 1 minute warning on.
Robocop had it in the first or the second set. He had it, but he dropped that infinite.
Nah, he definitely did.
You cannot drop an infinite against another Iron Man player because it can turn around and just bite you.